Identifying supplementary and vertical angles. Well, these are from an actual diagram. Supplementary are side by side. They all start with the letter S. Supplementary, side by side. Vertical angles, I'll write across the X and then I'll explain what I mean by that in a moment. Okay, one pair of vertical angles and one pair of supplementary angles. So the vertical angles are not next to. Now you've got a whole bunch of different correct answers on this. I'm just going to pick a number. Let's pick angle 3. Let's talk about angle 3. Now, like I said, I'm just giving you an example. We have a bunch of correct answers on this. And you can choose any of these angles that you want. I just chose the 3. Okay, so supplementary would be next to that. Okay, so either a 4 or a 2. Those are next to it. So either one of those would work. Vertical angles are the one that's not next to it. Okay, or it's across the X. See how that forms a little X? When you go straight across, it's across the X. So vertical is, if you're talking about angle 3, the vertical angle would be angle 1. Okay, so it's probably easier to find the supplementary first. And I'm just giving, like I said, one example. There are several different correct examples on each one of these. Okay, so let's talk about the 5. The ones next to that are angles 1 and 6. Either one of those, let's just say angle 1. The vertical angle is the one that's in that section. Okay, that section that's not touching it. So the 2. So, oops, we're given a pair. So angle 5 and angle 2 are vertical angles. Like I said, sometimes it's easier to find the supplementary angles first because then it's obvious which one's the vertical angle. The supplementary angles are side by side. So let's talk about angle 6. So I'm going to talk about angle 6 for each one of these. Okay, so next to angle 6, we have side by side are either 5 or 7. Doesn't matter which one you choose. The one that's not next to it, that's in that same area, is angle 8. That's the vertical angle.